This is a result of our flood today. This is usually a drop-off of about 4 or 5 feet down into this field. That goes clear over to the highway. And of course, all that's draining off over here. This is usually a field with a probably a 4-foot wide ditch that runs through it. You can see here the water's almost up to the edge of the road. There's a pipe right here where the water is up to the edge of the road that drains across into a 4-foot, well, a 3-foot pipe. This is going into my yard. Now, I've got rocks down there to keep it from eroding away my dirt out of my yard. For some reason, it doesn't work so well. There's usually never water that far up. You can see it's almost up to that white marker line for the gas line. I've never seen water even close to that telephone pole. So, yeah, we got dumped on big time. This bit going across the yard from the preacher's house across our driveway right there to that, most of that is from all this draining off from the highway. See it just washing out into the yard. Now you see why I can't cut across my ditch. I'm gonna have to use my brush cutter for the ditch this time. Well, probably all summer if it keeps this crap up. It's unreal. That water's probably about 4.5 feet deep right there. Unreal.